Hey y'all, welcome to Nicolaaaa Designs. I am going to do a rose today, and I want to try to paint the tips. I know this is a bright kind of fuchsia color. It's probably called fuchsia. Yep, fuchsia. I'm going to try to paint some in there. I'm going to pour a light color. I'm going to pour a yellow behind it, so I don't know how it's going to come out. I'm hoping it'll have really pretty kind of tips. I know I could paint them on afterwards. I'm just going to try it really quick. I sent it through the debubbler, so that's why there's yellow already in there. I didn't think about it until I poured it, and I went, uh-oh. So anyway, I'm using the Rolio Aurelian yellow. I think that's how you pronounce that. So I've mixed that up. I'm guessing on the amount. I just got this mold. I haven't poured this one yet. I am going to take a fine tooth or fine tipped brush, and I'm going to take some of this fuchsia. This is from the Let's Resin Chrome Powders. I don't see my box. I think I put it in the other room. Like I said, a really bright, I have a really thin, small tipped brush right here. And I'm just going to try, I'm not trying to be exact. I'm just going to kind of put some down here on the very tips. And like I said, not trying to be exact. Uh-oh. Good thing. Because if it's going to spill, I'm going to do it. Sorry. I thought this would be pretty, though. And like I said, I know you can paint afterwards. I thought about flipping it inside out, which maybe that is what I need to do. I don't know if this is a soap mold, possibly. Just because it's really, really, really soft. And I think and it looks like it might be matte. So, it might be a soap mold. I don't know what other kind of molds that there are. So I'm just going to paint just a little bit. Like I said, this is going to be a real short video. It should be. And pour some yellow, and then we'll see how it comes out. Oops, keep missing this one little spot. Don't want to have some spots missing. You can see how staticky it is, though it sticks to my brush like do you remember those magnets? I forgot what those magnets were when I was a kid. And it looked like hair on something. Okay, so that's all I'm putting in there. Not too much. I'm going to pour this yellow. I'm not going to spray alcohol, so we're just going to see. And I got some new cups. Am I the only one that gets excited about cups? I get excited when I get cups that might work for my projects better. So this is bigger than the 2 ounce. I think I got 5 or 6 ounce. And I'm going to kind of tap, 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 trying to get some bubbles out. I don't really want to run anything through there. So I'll probably just tap every once in a while. See the bubbles coming up? See them? So that means they're trapped in the tips down there. So I just need to keep doing that. Actually, I'm going to kind of massage and squeeze on the bottom because it's so soft. Look at all those bubbles. Goodness. Okay, so this is one that's probably good to spray alcohol in if you can. Because look at them. They've just been bubbling ever since. So it'll stop. Hopefully these last ones, well, they're still coming. I don't want to stick anything down there, but I might have to. See how much it's also, I need to top it off. Okay, I'm going to stick something in there. I didn't want to do that. Oops, not the lighter. Let's see. I don't know where my little stick is. Not that. Oh, I see one. Not the stick I'm looking for, but it will work because it's not going to damage anything. So I have a paper towel over here. I'm just going to kind of poke on the bottom. I mean, because I wasn't exact on my painting or anything. I'm not scraping. I'm just poking. Trying to encourage any bubbles to come out. I'm going to have a lot of yellow to pour into something. Alrighty, so we're going to top it off. That's going to look real pretty with that chrome against that yellow. I think that's going to be gorgeous. Still have bubbles coming up. So I'm going to keep tapping this, and then I will see you guys on demold. I'm thinking this might make a good magnet, possibly. I might have to put it on top of something. It's a bigger flower than I've had. And I have another flower. Actually, you know what? Since I have yellow, hold on one sec. Let's do the other one. If I can find it. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I cannot find my mold. I just had it, so I don't know what I did with it. I have another flower similar to this. Anyway, so that's not to be found anywhere. So I am going to hold off on this yellow and pour it into, I'm going to wait till I have some other color, and I'm going to mix it and marble it into a heart for memorial heart. So I'm going to put this off to the side. I will see you guys on demold. Hey guys, we're back and it's time to demold. Let's see what this rose came out looking like. Oh, pretty. I wish I hadn't done quite as much. If it was more just on the tips. It's still on the tips, but pretty. And I'm gonna need to get these back edges too. Awesome. I think it came out pretty. It's a little bit intense, but with a magnet on it on a fridge, I think that's gonna be gorgeous. All right, thanks for watching.